Aside from creating text in InDesign, you can also paste text from outside the program, or place a text file such as a Microsoft Word document, RTF file, plain text file, and more. In this resume document, you can place a Microsoft document that contains the rest of the text. If you want to follow along, you can open this file from this downloadable practice file for this tutorial. When bringing in text from an outside document, you can use the place command to do so. You can place text in the existing text frame, or have InDesign create a text frame as you place the text. To make sure that nothing is selected, choose Edit, deselect all. When placing text, if a frame is selected in your InDesign document, by default, the content will be replaced by the text you place. So, to place the text, choose File, Place, in the downloadable practice file in this tutorial, select the Import Text Word document. Before clicking Open, on Mac, click the option bottom and select Show Import Options. On Windows, just select Show Import Options if you see it already. Then click Open. Another dialog box will appear where you can change options and how to import the text. From keeping or removing a table or content, to stripping away all the text formatting, like font and font size and instance. By default, the text from certain documents like Word documents will keep their formatting. Different types of text documents will have different options you can change. Leave all the settings at their default and click OK. At this point, if a text frame has been selected, the text would be placed in the text frame. Because nothing was selected, you'll see the loaded text icon. You can either click and have InDesign create a text frame for you, or you can draw a text frame. Starting here, click and drag to create a text frame about this size. The text should be placed within the text frame you just drew. Now the heading Education needs to line up with the icon to the left here. To do this, you can use a few methods. You'll apply text formatting called space after this paragraph. Select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left, and click in the paragraph about the Education heading. In the Properties panel to the right of the document, you can see the default formatting for your text, including text alignment here in the paragraph selection. To see more options, click More Options in the Paragraph section. Formatting in the Paragraph section of the Properties panel. Apply paragraph formatting to select the text, which means any of the formatting options you see in this panel applies to an entire paragraph, even if just the cursor is in the paragraph. Find a space after value and click the up arrow to increase the space after the paragraph. Space after or space before. And both great way to change the spacing between paragraphs, because you have complete control over how much spacing is applied. If you were to simply press return or enter with the cursor at the end of the paragraph to add the paragraph return. By default, you can control how big that space is. Stop clicking the arrow when the education heading mostly align with the icon to the left. Then to deselect the text, choose Edit, deselect all, to see the design without all the frame edges and the guidelines out here, come to the bottom of the Tools panel on the left. Press and hold down the Screen Mode button and choose Preview. It's a great way to take a step back, so to speak, and look at your work. Press and hold on to the Screen Mode button again, and this time choose Normal.